You guys, it's Sire Eminence here. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm going in with my natural goddess and natural Goddess Rejuvenating Reign. Y'all, why wouldn't I go in with this? Look at all those benefits right there. It smells good, promotes oxygen, makes my hair feel nice, soft, and smooth. You guys, my customers love it, and I do too. It's actually one of our best sellers. Head over to the website to get yours today. Okay, so after I'm done making all those faces at the camera, I'm going to go ahead in with my Natural Goddess Daily Conditioner. You guys, this is also for sale on the website. I love using this, you guys, and not just because it's my products, but because it really makes natural hair easy. Like, detangling from now on is not a hassle. My hair doesn't shed. It's actually making my hair thicker and fuller. Y'all, get into it. And a lot of times the daily conditioner is actually like my go-to for everything. Like if I want to moisturize my scalp, I use it. If I want to braid out my hair, I use it. If I want to blow dry my hair, I use it. This is like the product that you need, like for sure, for sure. You need the daily conditioner in your natural hair care routine. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps. I'm just going to section my hair. I'm going to make sure that my hair is evenly saturated with the Natural Goddess Daily Conditioner. I'm going to finger detangle, then run that comb straight through it. And y'all, I'm done with this section. Oh, y'all hear that thunder? Oh my gosh, y'all. Ugh. Okay, so one thing I love about our daily conditioner is that it really cuts down the time on detangling, as well as it makes the hair healthy and strong. There's no breakage, there's no shedding, there's no popping. I rarely get a lot of shedding when I'm detangling my hair as well. It really strengthens the hair. And hey, I know I'm talking about it because I love my babies, but listen to what my customers have to say as well. Okay, so next on the docket is our Natural Goddess and Natural Goddess Curl Souffle. Y'all, this baby right here is a gem. I love styling my hair with this one, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's no product buildup. It's extra shine, extra hold. It's not crunchy. It smells divine, and it actually makes your styles last. Like, who doesn't want that? Actually, for real, what gets my customers with this one is the fact that I say my twist styles last for 7 days. They're like, girl, no way. And I'm like, I'm trying to tell you. I twist my hair with it. I put my bonnet on, and in the morning I shake and go. That's what it is. It's that simple. Like, when I tell you guys our products destroys the myth that natural hair is a struggle, that's what we do, okay? Like I'm telling y'all, you might want to add this. No, in fact, I know you need to add this to your natural hair care styling routine. Like today, okay? Today. And it's on sale. Get into it. A key to making my twist outs pop is to make sure that I run my fingers down my twist like I'm about to do. Y'all, I was put onto that tip, and when I tell you guys that that actually worked, I never liked twist outs. No, they never liked me until I started doing that. And making sure that my twists are also neat, not so much as having like straight parts, because you do want to hide those parts once you unravel your twist, but make sure that you run your fingers down that twist. It's a lifesaver. Alrighty, so I'm ready to go back in with some more curl souffle. Can't get enough of this stuff. I did make sure that I did this with every section. And also another thing that I did was after I put the product in and massaged it in, I didn't go back in with a brush to like smooth all my hair down. I actually like for when my twist is just free, I guess, before I twist it, because that way when I unravel it, I still have my own curls in there, and it makes it easy to separate, and it's more fluffy. So that was just something that I noticed. I don't really like that method of brushing all my hair down then twisting it. Girl, let it go. Let it be free. It's gonna be cute. All right, and make sure you stay to the end of this video, because This is the long version of the video to the short version that I posted on Instagram. But yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Sire Eminence Zakkiyyiah. I be having fun over there. Y'all come on and join the party. We be lit, okay? Just keep watching and make sure you shop my website. Love you. Bye-bye.